I I just can't take it. I discovered my wife's been cheating on me for a while. And I can't live like this. I have to kill myself.
Doesn't it make more sense to kill her?
What I wouldn't give right now for a big, juicy steak.
How dare you? To us, cows are sacred.
That's right. You are disrespecting our entire culture.
Stewie, what do we do?
Quick, hit the red buttons.
Wow, that came in handy.
Oh my God! Hurry! I can't hold it!
Okay, let me just unstrap my baby.
Oh, slipping, sorry.
Hey, Bri.
Yeah?
Ah! Damn it! Ah! There's glass in my eye! Ah!
Mom says dinner's at 6. She wanted me to tell people. I don't know why.
You're not gonna rape me, are you?
Of course I'm not gonna rape you. I'm gonna make you fall in love with me. Then we'll see what happens.
Oh, no. It's already working.